Hi, as we discussed before, there are four key components in the data communication system: sender, receiver, channel, and protocol. And for the sender and receiver, we have studied some network devices. And in this video, we're going to study the channel, which is the network media. So a communication channel is the path between two devices. It's composed of one or more transmission media for data travel. So transmission media are the materials capable of carrying one or more signals. For example, the network cable. We could use the network cable to connect the network card. So the network card connects with cable media of twisted pair. Another concept is called bandwidth. It's used to measure the performance of your network media. The physical transmission media are the wire, cable, and other materials that you can use to send the communication signals. And here shows you some of the physical transmission media and also the speed of the transmission media. Like the twisted pair cable, which is the network cable, you can have the 10 base T network or 100 base T network or 1000 base T network. So different cables may have different bandwidth. For example, the 10 base T cable can only have the 10 Mbps, but the 1000 base T cable can have the 1 Gbps. Coaxial cable is the TV cable. It can transfer to 10 Mbps. The fiber optical cable can have a faster transmission speed, like the 10 gigabits Ethernet fiber optical cable can have the speed of 10 Gbps. So the first pretty common physical transmission media is called the twisted pair cable, or we can call it network cable. It is usually used to connect to computers or telephones. So this figure shows you what the twisted pair cable looks like. There are several twisted pair wires inside of the cable. And the coaxial cable is used to connect televisions. You can also use this type of cable to connect computers, but you need some special network card. The fiber optical cable is capable of carrying significant more data at faster speed. It's actually near the flat speed. Because the signal transmitted in the fiber optical cable is actually light, so the speed is pretty fast. It's almost near the speed of the light. So this type of transmission media is really used for the main network, and it's also used for long-distance connections. The other type of the transmission media is the wireless transmission media. This type of transmission media is widely used nowadays. It is also used when it is not convenient or impractical to install the cables. There are different types of wireless transmission media, like the infrared connection, broadcast radio connection, the cellular radio connection, the microwave radio, and the communication satellite. So as you can see, the speed of the different media is also different. The broadcast radio can distribute radio signals over long distance and short distance. And the cellular radio is a form of broadcast radio used for mobile communications. And according to the report, the 5G network will not be the broadcast radio network. It's going to be the device-to-device connection network. A microwave station is used for some straight-line communication, and it is also used for long-distance communication. So we can have some microwave station towers that you can set up the sender and receiver on top of the tower to prolong the distance of the communication. So this type of microwave communication must transmit in the straight line with no obstacles. And this is communication satellites. You can have some Earth-based stations to communicate with the satellite, and then your satellite can connect to the other Earth-based station. This is especially used for some very long-distance communication. Okay, so in this video, we introduce some typical physical transmission media and the wireless transmission media. In the next video, we are going to introduce some network protocols.